Hello, assalamu alaikum. What's up? Today I will show you how to launch the emulator in a separate window, or you call the standalone application like. So at first you should wipe the data of your emulator or virtual device, just like that. Wipe it all. Then go to settings. Then there are tools. In the option tools, there are emulator option, and deselect the launch in the separate windows at the first option. Then hit OK or apply, and then you will done and run the application. You will see the difference and your work is done. There it is. This is the another windows, or you can call the separated windows, and you can just move around in your screen. That's all. It's simple.